Hello friend, today we got this Yantu V01S. It's a car vacuum cleaner. We were looking quite a time for buying this this vacuum. It's okay, I think. We are opening that to see how is it. The voltage is 7.4 volt and it's 80 watts. Let's get to it and see how is it. Okay, it has a decent packaging. It's okay. Let's see. It is a user manual warranty. Yes. What is that? Oh, it's a small. I like that. And it's not heavy. Also, it's not light, and it's very sensitive. Let's see what we have more here. It's 80 watt and the input is 5 volt 3 amps. Perfect. Let's get some of other things here. It has this extension. We don't need these things. Okay, it has a narrow nozzle, brush nozzle, and also we can charge it with a micro USB and USB ports. Okay, we can connect it here and charge it with the normal USB ports. Perfect. Now in this way, I think. Now we need some dust to test it out. Okay, now we find a place to clean up. It's a table with some kind of fabric and the table with a lot of dust. Let's check it out how it's going to work for us. For a table with a brush, it's okay. It's going to do well. Let's see how it's going to do on the fabric. For this size, this price, I think is a good thing. I love that I can use it in the car, and it's decent. It's cleaning decent for the car. I think it's not bad. I recommended that for you. Thank you for watching.